Hi drawsocute, Wendy here. I finally did it. I'm in front of the camera, and thanks to all your encouragement, love, and support, I'm finally going to be able to do this. So this is the little room that I do my drawings in, and I'll do a studio tour, hopefully one of these days for you in a separate video. But today I wanted to celebrate New Year's and this new beginning by drawing something really, really cute for you. This right here is a Tonkatsu Sumikko Gurashi. I hope I'm saying that correctly because it's a mouthful, right? But this little guy right here, this is supposed to be his little meat nose right here. I found a little drawing with him where he's celebrating, and it looks like he could be celebrating New Year's or a birthday, but today it's going to be for celebrating this brand new year and brand new adventure at drawsocute for me. So hopefully you guys will love this drawing, and so get your Sharpie ready or your pencil or whatever you're going to be drawing with and your paper. And let's get started on drawing this really cute little guy. To draw Tonkatsu celebrating, we're going to first start by drawing its party hat. So right here I'm going to start with a small circle. Then I'm going to add the party hat by drawing 2 angle lines. So right here, making my circle in the center. Just go ahead and come down. Little party hat. Down a little bit more. And connect it with a curve. I'm going to come in here with some curved stripes. So you can add some color to your hat and also give your hat some dimension. So there, we've got this party hat in. Now we're going to draw Tonkatsu shape, which is basically kind of like an oval. But we're going to draw little curves to make it look really fluffy. So let's start right here where the hat is, this corner right here, and we're going to start to build this curve. And we're just going to come down. So it's just curving down, sometimes smaller, sometimes bigger. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. This way it makes it look really fluffy. So then we have 2 curves like this on both sides. Let's bring it down a little bit more, straighten it out. So pretty even on both sides. And then let's come in here in this area and we're going to draw his face. So I'm going to come, not right in the center because he's kind of looking this way. So I'm just going to come offset it a tiny bit right here and draw an oval. Little oval for his little meat nose right there, and then we're going to give him his little beady eyes. So right here I'm just going to basically darken a little oval right here for his beady little eyes. I tried drawsocute eyes and it just doesn't work. We just have to keep it the way it is. So that's extra cute. So there we have his little beady eyes. And then when you're coloring, we're going to add cheeks right there. But then from there, now we can go ahead and start his body. So about right here, bring this down a little bit more. Where I stopped, I'm going to start to draw one hand that comes out. So this is the hand that's throwing the confetti. So we're just going to come out. Round it off, and let's continue this curve down. We can continue this. So we're still aiming to build our little oval shape right here, and we're just going to bring it around, so about this much, kind of like a little potato. So keep coming towards the center, and about right there I'll stop and draw a bigger curve for one of the legs. Towards the center, bring it in, and we're going to draw another curve for the other leg. There. So cute, right? Okay, so then now for the other hand. Come about right here where you ended this hand. About right here we're going to start the other hand. So it's once again, it's just little curves to create this hand that comes out about right there. And let's have him holding a little bowl for his confetti. So we're going to aim to have a curve that comes and touches his hand. And then bring it down for the bowl shape. Round it off. And bring it back up. And let's come in here and we're just going to draw a curve to finish our bowl. And then that is pretty much it, except for right here I'm going to draw some music notes. So, because he is celebrating, right? So right here I'll just add maybe 3 music notes. One there, maybe another one going this way. A single. And maybe another one over here just to mix it up. There. Now I'm going to come in with a, well, let me draw my heart first. I almost forgot about this. Right here, I'm going to add my little heart to make it my drawsocute tonkatsu. And then I'm going to switch to a thinner Sharpie so I can draw the confetti for you. So let's come inside the bowl right here and we're just going to add little pieces, rectangles, and zigzags, whatever you need to fill this space up with some confetti. And then let's, you can give this bowl maybe some color if we want. Let's mix it up a little bit. There. And then let's draw the confetti right here that he's throwing out. So about right here, I'll start and draw some rectangles at different angles and some zigzags. Maybe some circles. Some more circles. Let's see here. Just fill up the space right here like he's tossing it. Now that it's all drawn, it's time to color. And today I'm just going to use some color pencils to bring this little tonkatsu to life. Happy New Year, drawsocuties, and thank you once again for all your love and support. If you love this cute drawing of this little tonkatsu, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, drawsocuties, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.